The number of human bodies a positive case can infect, otherwise known as the reproduction rate in clinical speak, has slid to below 1 in the megacity, says an Octa research physician. This as a parallel announcement from the DOH of a relatively lower death count from last year that PTV correspondent Mark Fetalco elaborates in this report.
The Octa research said the National Capital Region, Cavite, Laguna, Bulacan, Cebu City, and Davao City have posted reproduction numbers that are less than 1. According to Dr. Guido David, this signals a downward trend of cases in these areas. For the NCR, the average number of cases this week is 20% lower than the previous week's mark. However, David noted that the public should not be complacent knowing the hospital occupancy is still at high risk. Based on the DOH data, the hospital bed occupancy in the NCR is at 68.3%, while the ICU bed occupancy is at 77%.
Yung pagbaba ng reproduction number, ibig sabihin, umpisa pa lang yan sa recovery process natin. At ayun nga, nasabi ko kanina, kailangan remind pa rin natin yung mga kababayan natin. Marami pa rin nasa hospitals, so medyo mahirap pa rin magpa-admit sa hospitals. Pero maganda yung balita na nagsisimula na yung recovery process natin.
Despite the decreasing reproduction number in some areas, the Octa research said they cannot see the decline in the country's positivity rate yet, given the increasing numbers in regions 2 and 5. That's why David said he's in favor to expand the alert level and granular lockdown system in other areas as they see the successful results of the interventions made in the NCR. To recall, one of the drivers of the surge of COVID-19 cases in the country this year is the Delta variant. According to the DOH, of more than 2.4 million total COVID-19 cases since the pandemic began, over 1.9 million cases were recorded this year. Despite this, the DOH said the case fatality rate significantly decreased to 1.47 from 2.47 last year. Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeres said this may be attributed to a lot of factors, including the overall improvement of the country's healthcare system and the vaccination program of the government. Meanwhile, the Octa Research Group is optimistic that the Philippines is in the end game of its battle with the Delta variant based on what they are seeing from other countries like India and Indonesia.
After na nakaranas sila ng surge ng Delta variant, hindi na ulit sila nagkaroon ng resurgence or ng spike. Ibig sabihin, nung nakontrol na nila yung Delta variant, yun na yung endgame ng Delta variant sa mga bansa na ito. Ganyan rin yung inaasahan natin makita sa Pilipinas.
Mark Fetalco for The Nation.